Microsoft has released a new Windows 10 update for January 2026, but not everyone will see it. This update is called KB5073724, and it's part of Extended Security Updates, also known as ESU. In this video, I'll explain what this update is, who can install it, what's new, and whether you should worry or not. Windows 10 KB5073724 is officially called 2026 to 2001 Cumulative Update for Windows 10 version 22H2 for x64-based systems. This update is only available if you have subscribed to Windows 10 ESU, because official Windows 10 support has already ended. With ESU, Microsoft will continue providing security updates only, not new features, until October 2026. If you are not enrolled in Extended Security Updates, this update will not appear on your PC. Only ESU users, including enterprises and supported consumers, can install KB5073724. After installing KB5073724, Windows 10 version 22H2 is upgraded to build 19045.6809. You can install this update in two ways. First, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then click Windows Update. Second, advanced users can download it manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. Just remember, the installer will fail if your PC is not enrolled in ESU. Microsoft has removed some very old modem drivers used on legacy PCs. These include drivers like agrism64.sys, agrism.sys, smserial64.sys, and smserial.sys. Microsoft says 99.99% of users will not be affected. Only very old modem hardware may stop working after this update. In testing, even older PCs still detected the modem correctly. This update also replaces expired secure boot certificates. Some older PCs still rely on Microsoft certificates issued back in 2011, which are now expiring. Microsoft is replacing them with new certificates issued in 2023 to ensure secure boot continues working properly. If these certificates are not updated, your PC may stop trusting new boot components, which could be a security risk. Microsoft has also updated a core system file called WinSQLite3.dll. Some antivirus programs were flagging apps using this file as vulnerable. Microsoft recommends updating all apps from the Microsoft Store. If a third-party app is affected, you should contact the app developer. Good news, Microsoft is not aware of any major issues with the KB5073724 update. So in summary, Windows 10 KB5073724 is a security-focused ESU update with modem driver cleanup, secure boot improvements, and important security fixes. If you're using Windows 10 ESU, this update is safe and recommended. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.